If you are a business owner, agency, or solopreneurs in this time, one of the most important challenges you face is keeping client happy and coming back. So acquiring a client is one thing, but keeping them long term is what actually grows your business and revenue. That's where GoHighLevel comes in. In this video, we are going to explore how GoHighLevel help you to improve the client retention, why it works, and how you can use it to make sure your clients stay loyal and satisfied. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where I make business tools easy to understand so you can focus on growth instead of the tech headache. So if that sound useful, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to check the link in the description or the pinned comment for free trial and the special deals for GoHighLevel. And yes, if you use the link from the official website, you will be able to use the free trial for 14 days, but by using the link in the description, you can use it for 30 days. So check the description and grab that deal. Let's start with automation for follow-up. One of the biggest reason clients leave is because they feel ignored or unsupported. GoHighLevel helps you to automate the follow-up through email, SMS, or even call. For example, after a client sign up, you can set up an automated message checking in, sharing update, or providing helpful tips. This makes client feel valued and supported without you needing to manually send every message, which saves you time, prevent the clients from slipping through the crack. Next thing is the personalized communication. It plays a big role. GoHighLevel allows you to segment your clients based on their behavior, purchase, or the engagement. This means you can send messages that are relevant to each client. And for instance, if one client frequently buys a specific product or service, you can send them personalized offer or updates that can match their interest. Clients love the feeling like you understand them, and that's the key factor to retention. Another important feature is CRM and the task tracking. With GoHighLevel, you can see all your client interaction, upcoming task, and next step in one dashboard. So you never forget to follow up and you always know the status of each client relationship. This level of organization not only improves the efficiently but also makes client feel like they are getting professional, consistent service every time. GoHighLevel also helps with loyalty and the engagement. You can set an automated campaign to educate clients, offer loyalty reward, or provide the resources that keep them engaged with your business. For example, sending helpful tips, reminders, or exclusive offer through the email or SMS, it can help you to maintain a connection even when clients are not actively purchasing. Over the time, this consistent engagement builds the trust and keep client coming back. So finally, for agencies or the solopreneurs managing multiple clients and scaling the client retention is much easier with GoHighLevel. You can automate the onboarding, communication, and follow-up for dozens or even hundreds of clients without losing the personal touch. This makes your business more professional, reliable, and scalable at the same time. So in short, GoHighLevel improve the client retention by automating follow-up, personalizing communication, keeping track of interactions, engaging clients consistently, and providing tools to listen and respond to feedback. So for anyone looking to grow a business sustainably, and retaining the client is just as important as requiring them. And GoHighLevel makes it much easier to do both. So if you want to try GoHighLevel and see how it can help you to retain more clients and grow your business, check the link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.